Okay, today we're going to discuss movies that released in 2001.
The one thing that is very important about Dil Chahta Hai is how it captures lazing around. Now Rohit has become the hero of our films.
Oh!
Yeah. Rajkumar Santoshi is our Paul Thomas Anderson, I think.
Whoa.
This is my take.
Yes.
But Shantanu has a favorite scene in Ajnabi, where Bipasha Basu is playing the piano with her feet.
There was a sense that, is Shah Rukh done?
He had to
Like,
reinvent
How
himself.
dare-
Because Fir
they-
Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani was a
Yeah.
thing, and they've tried to replace Shah Rukh every year.
Yeah. RH-TDM also released in 2000.
Oh yeah, I think the blueprint for Kabir Singh lies here.
Pichra kutta gilla hai tu or whatever.
Plate lata
That's
frame
hey,
karte.
no, I don't think anyone's had an impression of.
No one's ever done
that's like a new thing.
Out the focus.
Damn, dude.
Not bad.
I was not ready for that.
Today we are joined by oh my god, I was really struggling earlier to Akanksha how to describe the guest
Oh, I have
that
so
we
many
have with
things
us
to
today.
say.
So it's not cut to him yet, so we can still take our
Cinephile
time.
extraordinaire.
Auteur? Auteur?
Yeah, yeah.
Auteurist? Auteur
Autist?
rickshaw?
Is it artist?
Ottoman, cinephile, Ottoman critic, soon to be director, soon to be associate
Socio-cultural
director,
commentator. I would also throw
socio-cultural
that in.
commentator,
Yeah,
Sindhi,
yeah.
Karan Mirchandani in the
Pune
house. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. I am a Sindhi auto
sir.
rickshaw
Ottoman,
person.
a Sindhi man from the Ottoman.
I am from the Ottoman
Empire.
region. Empire?
Ottoman
Whoa.
Empire.
Ottoman Empire.
We
is
don't
what
say such things.
We don't say that. I'm
are
not
not sure.
confirming that. I'm looking at that camera. I don't know. If
Pure
that's-
You can
Aryan.
look up also.
I'm
You can look
looking-
wherever. Yeah.
Okay, so we are here. Thank you so much for joining us. We have been huge fans of yours
Yes.
and your work, as we've been DMing you and telling you constantly, and have invited you last
Borderline
year.
creepy. Also,
multiple
when
times.
Shantanu and I discussed wanting to do this podcast, you were one of our references. We were
Yeah.
like,
What?
this is the vibe that we
Yeah.
want to go after.
No
like,
way.
let's
Yeah.
discuss
We
Oh.
didn't have
movies.
the intellectual capacity to really go after that vibe, but we were like, at least we can talk like him, even if the content is
Yeah.
rubbish.
This is gonna really age badly when I talk about Ajnabi exclusively on this podcast.
One of my
That's
favorite
all I'm
movies.
gonna discuss.
This is see, that's what he even said that in such a refined manner, you know.
We will
I'm going to
discuss
talk about
Ajnabi.
Ajnabi. I'm going to talk about Ajnabi.
Abbas Mastan, the
Abbas
authors of
Mastan.
cinema. they are authors. Actually, they're
True.
because
Yeah.
what is an author?
Auto?
What's a
Are we talking about the
flaneur?
animal now? Okay.
Like the whole term, it sounds very fancy, you know. Like it
Yeah.
must be someone
I took
who's
a class in college. so-
someone who's a refined filmmaker and all. But Abbas Mastan, if you watch a film of theirs, you know it's them.
That's
Yeah.
true.
It's like you get some sense.
That
But there are
cash
some
payments were
movies where
made.
it's a little bit of a googly, like
Except-
Chori Chori Chupke Chupke.
which is
That's-
also
yeah, which is
this year.
2001,
Which
which we should
Chori Chori-
introduce as the topic.
Please, Akanksha, what is the
Okay,
topic
okay.
of discussion today?
Okay, today we're going to discuss movies that released in 2001. This was a landmark year for Bollywood.
Okay.
We should ideally have posters of the movies, but we're just going to talk about it and we can put images of the movies. There was K3G, which is huge, super
Yeah.
formative. There was Lagan, again, super, super, super formative for Bollywood in general.
Yeah.
There was Kahuna Pyare, which is Hrithik Roshan.
I think
Stop
Kahuna
it, yeah.
Pyar is 2000, by the way, but it's fine.
Oh, but
it went on.
Whatever.
It went
The
on forever.
impact- the
No, but when
impact
they
of-
added Janeman as the additional sequence and re-released it, it might have just jumped over into
Correct,
January.
correct. You're right. You're right.
Like that's what
trickling impact. Let's just
Trickling
say.
impact.
Yeah.
And there were a bunch of other movies. There were some which we'll just bring into the conversation as
Yeah.
what were our favorite films
So,
of 2001.
movies of 2001 and the impact
Big
that it
year,
had on
yeah.
cinema moving forward is
Yeah.
what we're
Correct,
discussing.
Correct.
And
But I want to start with one key question, which will
Please, yeah.
reveal a lot about who we are.
Oh.
How old were you guys in 2001?
Oh my god. Okay. I was 8.
Oh,
I was
same.
8 years old. Okay,
Nice.
nice.
How old were you?
Same. 7. Fine. I was 11.
You were 11.
I just turned. I actually
not
just
that
turned
bad.
10.
I thought
Yeah.
you were gonna say I was whatever. Like
Oh,
the way
you
you
thought-
reacted.
What
The
did
way
you-
you reacted, I
I
thought,
did, I did.
oh my god, it's gonna be like years apart.
No,
but
just 3. I'm 1990 December 16th,
Hmm.
which
nice.
is a
16 December.
correct.
Important.
Yeah. Dulhan ki vidai ka waqt badalna hai, but that's a conversation for another day.
Great film.
Milind Soman's.
Milind
Yeah.
What a
Soman,
film.
Milind Soman.
Shankar,
So, Mani Shankar.
Dipandita is also there.
the
no?
guy who made Love Hostel. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah, yeah. Correct.
The guy who
correct,
made
that
Love Hostel. I think it's him. Otherwise,
Let
come
us
at
know in
me.
the comments will tell you.
It's not him, you
It is. Wait,
bastard.
there's someone typing it right now. Dude, what the fuck?
Why do you all have a
you-
podcast if you all don't
Anyone
know this?
can buy mic these days.
Yeah.
But
Isn't Dipandita also
It's expensive
in
though
that
buying mics. But anyway, that's not important. Yeah.
Correct. Dipanita is also in that film. So 2001. What do you want to
2001.
start with, Akanksha? Because I know you are structured and you have something
I'm
planned
not-
for us to
Yeah,
go.
yeah. I want to start with which was your favorite movie of 2001?
Oh man, I got
And
one.
does it still hold a special place in your heart? You know how some movies
Yeah.
age badly, and 2001 was a long time ago. We're all much older now. Do you still watch it and you feel comforted by it, or you feel a little eked out?
I have one which I think is the film of 2001 for me. Dil Chahta Hai.
हम दोस्त थे, हैं, रहेंगे। हमेशा।
Of course.
Oh,
I think it's not even close, to be honest. Like in terms of revisiting,
Yeah.
because I just on New Year's Eve
Yeah.
was watching Dil Chahta Hai. Because I just think, and every time I watch the film, I'm like, Arey, it's just about three friends. What is the big deal? Like I keep trying to. I'm like, why does it matter so much? This is a random. It's a coming of age film.
Yeah.
yeah.
You know, there's so many films like that now released directly on Netflix and then
Yeah.
get
Yeah.
lost. But you watch it and you're like, this like
Yeah.
it changed so much as well.
Yeah.
In terms of how people spoke in movies. I think that's a big thing. The way the dialogue sounded.
Yeah.
You know, before there were all these heroes that were like, "Main tumhe maar ke rahunga," like very, you know, aggressive. And this is just three dudes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They like
Yeah.
to hang out.
Yeah.
And for the first half of the film, they're just hanging out. I'm like, what is this movie about?
Yeah.
And then I realized that this is, you have to like, firstly, Dil Chahta Hai set the template of like friends that actually feel like friends, who you can see hanging out, so that when that slap moment happens at the mid part, it
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
feels like a divorce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Like I was like Sameer when it
Yeah,
happened.
the
Like you're
kid.
also
Yeah,
looking
yeah,
around like
yeah,
you're a child of divorce suddenly.
We're all
Yeah.
Sameer.
Yeah.
He was a
We're
little
all
bit of a
Sameer.
lens into like breaking, like
Yeah,
whatever, mending broken friendship.
Correct.
And it's
Friendships.
got all three of them are so good in this film. Especially on rewatch, I noticed that Akshay Khanna is scary good in it. Like
So
especially
good.
because it's such a unique character.
Yeah.
And in fact, I think the main talking point for me
Yeah.
on rewatch this time was that they've never recreated Sid again. We've got Sameer. Saif has only
So
played
true.
Sameer like 5
Yeah.
times after that.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know, Akash being that
Yeah.
like little bit of a fuckboy,
Yeah.
that vibe, but like funny, but you know, still likable.
Yeah.
Like I actually like Akash on rewatch. I didn't mind
Yeah.
him.
Yeah.
Maybe because the standards have dropped so much
Yeah.
that Akash seems
Yeah.
He doesn't
wholesome.
seem
Akash
as
seems like a
bad.
nice guy.
Yeah, he seems like a nice
He's a
self-aware
little
also.
playful fellow.
Little
yeah.
playful, yeah.
Playful energy.
Yeah.
Cheeky guy.
Now,
lad.
now Rohit has become the hero of our films.
Oh. Yeah.
Excuse me? तुम कौन हो?
अपने भाई रोहित को नहीं पहचानते?
We have transformed. We've gone from Akash being to Rohit is actually good
This is
now.
a great.
Rohit was an
Yeah.
okay guy compared to Kabir Singh.
I know,
this
but
guy-
I'm saying
Rohit was
This guy
fine.
always, yeah.
yeah, what Rohit did was tame comparison.
He
He
ended.
just threw a fit, which is not.
No,
He
he
did,
had-
Daddy, this is so embarrassing.
Yeah,
this
that's
is so.
not too bad.
Any guy who will go, Daddy, this is so embarrassing, and let the love of his life leave.
Yeah.
yeah.
This fellow would have got his gun out, yeah. The animal, whatever,
Yeah.
whatever
The
Balbir Singh
fellow.
or Ranveer Singh or whatever his name was in animal.
Yeah, they would just kill everyone at the wedding. And then,
Everyone, 700 people massacre.
"Pehle bhi main." They just started playing immediately.
And then the girl falls in love with him because of that.
Because oh my god, yeah.
Wow,
he's
you
been-
did that for me.
Yeah. He borrows Mahesh Mama's underwear because that gun requires.
Yeah,
That was the
man.
thing, right?
Yeah.
There was a whole
Borrows-
rant about
yeah.
underwear.
Borrows
The
underwear.
crotch.
He also borrows underwear for support when he's using that gun.
Oh,
That's
I
also a
didn't-
thing.
I just shut my eyes in that scene. I didn't really.
Good.
Yeah, I wanted
The-
to try.
The one thing that is very important about Dil Chahta Hai is how it captures lazing around. I think like it's the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're just friends hanging out watching. I think they're watching
Yeah.
Die Hard or some movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in my head, when I was a kid, the hanging out scenes were much longer for some reason.
Yeah.
That's my main takeaway. That look at how chill
They're
this
chilling.
is. They're all
Yeah.
hanging.
Throws the Rubik's Cube at him
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
they're like, messing around with
Yeah,
Saif and Suchitra Krishnamurthy's
yeah,
character. Suchitra Pillai.
Pillai,
Suchitra Pillai's
the
character.
girlfriend.
Yeah, when they're just hanging watching TV, that
Yeah.
stuff is great. When
That-
they're messing
yeah.
with Saif is great.
Yeah.
That feeling, you know, where he realizes it's actually late.
Ah.
I felt like that was such a. Which, by the way, I don't know what happened to his watch.
रुक गई and Akshay Khanna just कौन से देश में or whatever they've got 4 बज रहे हैं यार.
That also, I know the thing with Dil Chahta is it seems like such an easy film.
Yeah.
You kind of underplay how good they are in
Yeah,
it. Like they make it
100%.
seem effortless. Like
Yeah.
Akshay Khanna, even how he delivered that line.
Yeah.
I was like, yaar, aise abhi no one speaks only like this. They
Yeah.
just now everyone has to.
Uh-huh.
There has to be
Yeah.
like 3 background scores playing
Yeah.
for his one turn. Then he'll say,
Also, like
Event.
also all the 3 friends come from slightly different like class backgrounds, and you can see that in their houses, which is very cool.
Yeah.
Like I felt like that was also very realistic because in college you do make friends beyond your like direct economic circle. That I'm sure you guys
I
must
thought
have
all
done.
of them were significantly
But
privileged.
there is still little,
No,
of course,
Akash most-
privilege, but
Akash
there is a
most-
Akash
little bit
most-
of a
Australia
all of
mein
them
business.
fairly privileged.
But
One
there is a
slightly
difference.
art focused.
correct.
A guy who can spend his life doing paintings,
He
But
might
it's still like
be the
realistic.
wealthiest.
Yeah.
Akshay Khanna
No,
might be
yeah.
the wealthiest.
I
I don't
think
think Akshay was there. Did you see their home?
Their home was
But
really
it's
nice.
still slightly realistic. I feel like it reflects in how entitled Akash is versus the other two. A little bit. Akash
little
is
bit.
the richest.
Do we
of the
see
two.
Sameer's? We do. We
We
do
do.
see
It's like a
Sameer's home.
normal
Computer
Mumbai,
business.
Bombay
I,
apartment.
I think it's actually Akash, Sid, then Sameer.
Oh, I thought.
Yeah.
it
Because
was-
Sid's
A lot of
home-
people assume that Sid would be the poorest, but
Because
there is
he's
no
fat in
one
their
who
clothes.
becomes a full-time painter
Yeah.
with a home with a loft and
He
2
goes for
floors.
residencies and all, yeah. It's
So
like
his
he's not-
uncle's home in Alibag, where he spends most of his time.
Yeah.
That's
What are
all
we
he
talking
is.
about? That's wealthy.
Okay,
guys.
fine.
He's
Maybe
an
I
This is
He's
how
read
not
into
Delhi
it.
idea of
But I read
wealthy
into
doesn't.
it.
If you're from Delhi, you'll probably think Akash is not wealthy. But if you're from Bombay, you'll probably understand exactly who Sid is.
Okay,
Sid is very wealthy.
Okay.
But I get what
I
you're
didn't
going.
see
I
it
get what
like
you're
that.
saying in the sense that Akash does seem the most entitled also
Yeah.
of the lot.
Yeah.
And Sid is a little bit more like, he's-
Grounded, no?
But like he would not disclose that he's making money. He's more like, "Arey, listen, guys, it's all about feeling
Correct.
and emotion, and
yeah.
it's okay. Money doesn't matter." They're like, "Okay, you just came in your BMW, but okay." That's how Sid would
He's
be.
walking
but I
on the
also,
streets.
but to just touch upon Sid a little, like one thing I found really interesting was there's that whole monologue that he gives to Dimple after she finds out.
Yeah.
That would not exist only today.
Yeah.
That feels like from another universe where he's like, I understand that you that like
Yeah,
this is
yeah.
I feel I love you and I've never expected you to even know. I didn't want you to know, and I don't expect you to have any reaction to this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just saying that this is who it is.
Yeah.
This is how it is. And I will always want the best for you.
Yeah.
That is crazy. In a world where like even an Adil hai mushkil, he's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
she's got cancer and
Yeah,
he's still like, hey,
Dhanush
listen.
would have slit his wrist 6 times.
Yeah.
By the within that monologue,
Yeah.
6 wrists, 1 vial of acid,
Moscato.
like whatever.
God.
The Anand L. Rai would have gone all
With
guns
like
blazing
blaring
and
background music that glorifies all of it.
yeah, everything would have happened.
Yeah.
He would have poured up.
You guys felt odd that you all were close to any one of the characters? Like,
I
this is
wanted to
me.
be Sid. When I was younger, I was
Nice.
like, what a brooding, mischievous.
You are a
always got
Sid. You are
feelings.
a Sid.
you're a
You
Sid,
are
you're
a
a
Sid.
Sid.
You are a Sid.
First ever
Take it.
meeting, but we
You're a
know.
Sid.
No, but I think I'm actually Sameer. Like it comes to when it comes to
Oh.
real life interactions, I feel like Sameer is the most relatable. Where things go wrong for you all the time, and you find random things funny. Like Sameer is kind of like you said, like he's the lens, right, for everyone to view the film.
He's softer than the film even portrayed him to be.
Yeah,
If you look at Sameer's room, Sameer's room has a
picture of them
telescope.
also.
Have you seen a telescope
Yeah,
placed
yeah.
right next to the window? A massive telescope. He's a stargazer. He's got a picture of his 3 best friends
Yeah,
on his
yeah.
desk right next to his bed.
Yeah.
There's more to him just than a guy who just wants his friends to be together,
make
yeah,
fun
or
of-
whatever.
Yeah.
It seems like he's softer, kinder,
Yeah.
and the least egoistical
Yeah.
of the 3 of them.
He's
which I think was,
confrontational also.
He's confrontational, and that's why he falls in love, because I think his barriers are so low that he's genuinely keeps falling in love with these women
Correct.
and
Yeah.
also falling out
Correct.
very quickly.
but I think he's it's weird. It feels like he's the most in tune with his emotions because he talks about it. It seems like he's confused, but he was like in your 20s, everyone is confused about love and
Yeah.
what they want. And I think he's just more honest. He's like, I fell for this girl. Then I realized, oh, maybe I'm not in love with this girl. Then, meanwhile, Sid has got this like storm inside.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
what
yeah.
Dimple Kabadi also points out. No, like in
Yeah.
all your paintings, it seems we don't know who you are
Yeah.
Yeah.
on the inside. You've got-
Tijori band hai.
you're portraying you're chill, but you're not chill at all.
Yeah.
Which is
It's
seen
too
in the
much going
slap as well. There's like this
Yeah.
frustration.
Yeah.
And Akash though doesn't even know who he is.
Sameer to Sid is like Imran from first half of ZNMD to second half of ZNMD.
Oh.
You know,
Yeah.
he goes from that. It's a similar transition.
Yeah.
Goes from like the goofball trying to keep the friends together or whatever to actually confronting his
Yeah.
Demons and Big finding a more somber, more meditative aspect of his
Oh.
personality.
But I think Farhan in general, right? I mean, did you
all
guys
our
only
shades of
discuss
Farhan.
this?
We
You only
said it
discussed
once.
this.
All, yeah.
He
Yeah.
was all the three characters.
I'm a fan. I watched.
Yeah.
Oh, you are.
Yeah.
One
Shades
view.
of Farhan.
One view.
Shades of Farhan.
Okay.
So
So
yeah,
Dil
so
Chahta
that's
Hai.
true. Like I think for Dil Chahta. Okay, so
Yeah.
we've talked a lot about Dil
Yeah.
Chahta Hai,
We can go on.
which could
We can
it
watch
could
the
happen.
movie.
The rest of this podcast could just
True,
be
true.
Dil
All
Chahta
the
Hai.
episodes
But
moving
then-
forward can
Another
be.
Dil Chahta Hai episode.
But we need to cover important movies
Yeah.
like Gadar.
अशरफ अली हमारा हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद था, जिंदाबाद है और जिंदाबाद रहेगा।
Gadar.
Gadar Ek Prem Katha.
Also,
Gadar Ek
it's
Prem Katha.
shocking to me that both released in the same year.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't watch Gadar growing up.
I
As
like
an
the
8-year-old, I
politics.
rejected Gadar. I was like, I don't want to watch this.
Good politics, solid politics, strong
Anger.
politics.
Oh,
Very
really?
interesting politics to look
I
at
just
now.
did not.
Because
Interesting.
if you look at now, see Border 2 is also coming
Yeah.
out.
Haan.
Gadar 2 has come out.
Yeah.
It's weird to see like the same characters but with like completely new politics now.
Yeah.
Because like now it's like, oh, we hate that country.
Yeah.
Back then it was like, listen, I love my
He said
country, you love your
Pakistan
country.
Zindabad, he says.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Does
He's
he
a
say this in
Pakistan
Gadar?
Of course he
I
says
should
that.
watch it then.
His wife is Pakistani.
Yeah.
That I know. That
He
I,
saves
that
her life and he goes and says he goes
What's
to
her name?
Pakistan.
Sunaina? No.
That's no.
Something her name is from.
Sakina.
Sakina.
Oh, wow.
Good
Where did
one,
you pull
good
out that
one,
from?
good
That
one.
was-
Yeah,
Yeah,
from
Misha,
some
he's an
type
Misha
of
kind of
childish,
guy.
dirty joke that we probably made. Huh.
Hmm.
Huh.
But it also, one thing that stays constant is the hand pump. Because apparently in Gadar 2,
There is a hand
there's a
bump.
moment apparently, I haven't seen Gadar 2, but there's a moment where he
There
gets
has to be.
where he
There
gets
has to be.
nostalgic about the hand pump with which he beat like he looks at the hand pump and apparently it's like the audience also knows.
Yeah, they don't. So there's a sequence where there are 3 lanes and he's in the middle with a hand pump and people are coming charging to beat him up. He goes up to the hand pump. It's just a shot of the hand pump.
Insert hand pump.
Insert hand pump. 3 lanes of running people with swords. Look at Sunny Deol. Look at insert of hand pump. Turn and run away. We
He
don't
should
want
have
to
played-
Movies are doing this a lot now, no? Like self-references.
Yeah.
It's becoming too much in movies.
I
feel like
think
we need
it's
to
at
tone it
its
down.
worst right now.
Mm.
In the sense that it's not even creatively done. It's more just like, remember
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
remember the
Yeah.
movie?
Let's
It's
squeeze
that
all
movie
the
again.
nostalgia that we
We're
can.
doing it
Yeah.
again. He
Same
was from
movie.
that
Yeah.
movie. Oh. Because they always have done references.
Yeah.
Like that has been, even in the 2000s, like, I mean, Om Shanti Om is literally
Of
just a
course.
reference movie.
Yeah, yeah,
But so well done.
yeah. Yeah,
Here now it's like, look, this is the guy.
yeah.
Please.
Massive.
You guys both saw
massive.
Gadar when y'all were 8 and 11? Or did you watch it
No,
later?
we
like-
picked Lagan over Gadar
Same,
as a
even we
family.
picked
I,
Lagan.
I mean, everyone, I think overall prefers Lagan.
Of
But
course.
you had to pick one, right? It was
Yeah.
same weekend or close by?
It was
Might have
close,
been,
and
but
apparently all the bets were on Lagan, but then Gadar 2 like went crazy successful. A
But
lot of
both
people
were
thought
equal.
Lagan
Haan,
would become
They
very,
made, I think,
yeah.
in the all-time box office, which I checked, and I've forgotten.
Komal
conveniently.
Nataji, what did he have to say?
I
Karan
think
Adarshi.
I don't know if it was like I think Gadar in India made the most money, but I think K3G overall had the most money.
Yeah.
But what's very interesting is that 22 years after, I think it's 22 years after, Karan Johar makes another film about family and
Yeah.
like being,
Yeah.
in conflict with your family
Yeah.
about the person you love.
Yeah.
And then Gadar 2 again comes out.
Oh man.
It's like a
Yeah.
weird,
It's
like
destined.
it's
Yeah.
like a.
Very
he's-
interesting.
I'm sure Karan Johar was like, fucking Gadar.
Every time.
Every
time I try.
Fuck.
Every
This
time I
Anil Sharma.
everyone's liking my movie also.
Yeah.
It's doing well also.
Yeah.
Then suddenly Gadar 2. Here we.
Yeah.
One thing I realized is in the year 2000, Raju Chacha released,
Oh, love.
and then
love.
1 2 Ka 4 was 2001.
Huh.
Yeah.
Was this a like?
Child.
There were like this kids movie
Orphan.
where like orphan kids who are who have a new father figure. I was gonna say new daddy. That was crazy.
Yeah.
That-
Direct.
Hame Rai, I'm a
I would like
trendsetter.
Shah Rukh
Hame
over
Rai,
Ajay
yeah.
Devgan is all I'll say. Like I don't want Ajay
Raju
Devgan.
Chacha was not bad.
Raju Chacha.
Yeah, the train thing is very fun in Raju
The
Chacha.
house was damn cool in Raju
Ah.
Chacha. It was like very Home Alone house that they eventually used to
Very
beat up
cool.
the bad guys.
Yeah.
But I was thinking there need to be more movies where kids
Kids.
are like the protagonists
Yeah.
or like where it's fun. There's a
Yeah.
sense
So
of
Sana
like,
Fatima Sheikh was the
Yeah,
main
she
kid,
was the
no?
Chotu.
In One Two
Yeah,
Ka Four.
yeah,
She
yeah,
pees
correct.
her.
If you look at the visual textures in 2001, because we're discussing One Two Ka Four, people are like, oh, Dil Chahta Hai came and changed. I mean,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
did sync sound and they
Mm.
changed
Yeah.
everything. But we are at Pushpa or we're at whatever now.
Yeah.
Uh, K3G mein Karan, I feel, was the most dharma coded he's ever
Yeah.
been, where it was the
Love
yeah.
that.
you know what I mean, the
It's the
most
film.
dharma.
Yeah.
If you say Karan Johar, the first film in your head is probably Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Yeah, because it's the most dharma.
I've
Yeah.
also probably, it's
Coded,
the
is
one
that
movie I've seen the most number
6,
of
7,
times.
6,
I must
7.
have 6,
That's-
7.
I don't know.
yeah.
I'm trying to be young.
Guys, that is anyway.
I don't know.
Anyway,
It's 6, 7.
That's what I would rate it on 10, guys. That's what I meant. But if you look at Love Ke Liye Kuch Bhi Karega, which is the 2001 release, you look at Santosh Sivan's, like he made Ashoka. You look at Nayak. You
Nayak.
look at this one, One Two Ka Four. That it's a very interesting texture of film also. The way the films
Yeah,
were
yeah, yeah.
looking then, Love Ke Liye Kuch Bhi Karega looks very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's shot very nicely.
Yeah.
But these two came and made these very, like XL came and
Yeah.
like branded itself
Yeah.
as a, hey man, this is
They
who we are.
upped
we're
it.
urban."
Yeah. Yeah.
They came
yeah.
and or not. I don't know if K3J is upping it. It's definitely not upping it, and I don't
In
think
a
it's
way,
where we are.
like in a commercial movie, it did up it.
They've had to unlearn for a decade and a half after, so I don't know how much they upped it. But the two very distinct genres were created,
Yeah.
but the rest of the stuff that was going on was great.
Yeah, it was.
There's an interesting movie in 2001 which I was like, where did this come from? I think Rajkumar Santoshi, Lajja.
Lajja.
बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल दिल पे अटक जाए आशिकों का दिल
And it's a movie that I think works more on paper than
Yeah.
it does in actually
It's not
watching
a
it.
Kalpana Lajmi film
Is
or a
it?
Tanuja Chandra
No,
film.
no, 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 no.
I'm okay.
It has
Yeah.
multiple people in
This
it.
is
It
not
has
a
multiple-
picture.
Yeah.
No, no,
Madhuri,
no.
Urmila.
Yeah, it had Madhuri,
Rekha,
Anil.
Badi mushkil
Mahima
hai, Baba,
Chaudhary.
badi.
It's
Mahima
a little bit like
Chaudhary.
Made in Heaven as an episode
Yeah,
into a movie.
Into a movie where
Yeah.
they tackle like different issues like dowry
Yeah,
and like, is
yeah.
there like
Female infanticide.
female infanticide? So
Rajkumar Santoshi?
Yeah,
yeah,
Good,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
I love Rajkumar Santoshi. I've never seen this film. I always assumed it was Tanuja Chandra
No.
or Kalpana Lajmi for some reason.
Rajkumar Santoshi is our Paul Thomas Anderson, I think. This is my take.
Yes!
Because he does movies of different genres across different, where you can't go like Andaz Apna Apna, he made Khaki, he made
Yeah.
this Lajja, he made, and you can't tie them together in any kind of. None of these are.
Even the
Can't
Sunny
bucket him.
trilogy.
Sunny trilogy, that's
The
completely
Sunny
different.
Sunny
trilogy.
trilogy.
Ghayal
Ghayal.
Ghatak Ziddi.
Oh, I know.
Yeah,
Damini. 4.
exactly.
Ghayal Ghatak Ziddi Damini. He has
He's
4
able to
legendary
switch.
films.
He's able to
Nice.
switch genres in a
Bhagat
way
Singh.
that, you know,
Oh, Bhagat Singh is also him.
Bhagat Singh is also
Oh, I
him.
really
Bhagat
liked-
Singh is also
I
him.
liked Bhagat.
Hada poster nikla hero
Which
is
Bhagat
his
Singh? The
weakest.
Yeah,
Ajay
that's his
Devgan one.
licorice pizza.
There were two
Or
Bhagat
That
Singh
was
films.
Shaheed, 1931.
The Bobby Deol one. Nah?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I didn't
the
know.
Bobby Deol one
Yeah.
is special.
Yeah,
That's-
Let's see.
Good one.
yeah.
Bob.
Why was the Bhagat Singh IP that popular?
Yeah,
Like,
what was going on?
Like in that year.
Ah.
What
Like I'm
era
not
was
saying
it,
that it
guys?
shouldn't
It's
be
how
popular.
Lucknow Central Jail
We
was
like
very...
all.
We
No,
like.
but we prescribe to everything.
It's like how Lucknow Central Jail was very
Yeah.
popular one year, no? And playing music in it.
Yeah.
The two
Ah,
entire
ah,
studios
ah.
decided to.
Arman Kapoor is in that.
Not at all. There is no one called Arman. Who is Arman
What
Kapoor?
am I talking?
Arman.
Sounds like a made up
Arey,
name.
Lucknow Central is that?
Jen.
Jen.
Adar,
okay, okay,
Adar,
okay.
Adar Jen,
Yeah,
maybe.
that. Sorry, my bad.
Arman
Wow.
Jen.
My bad.
And Farhan is in the same story in Lucknow Central. And one is,
Oh.
the Jen boy is in Kedi
Jen
Band.
boy. That one. That
He's in
one.
Caddy
Got it,
Band.
got
So
it,
the
got
same story gets circulated, kya, in the
Yeah.
industry where they go this.
Hush, I don't know how they release these two. Like, I don't understand how this came to.
Like, do you remember there was that year where Hollywood did Friends with Benefits and No Strings Attached?
Yeah.
That
yeah.
is the Bhagat
Yeah.
Singh films were our Friends with Benefits.
That's so
Is the
true.
thing I've really said.
One
out
was
loud.
the,
Yeah, wow.
the,
It is, in a way, friends
a
with
way.
benefits.
the Natalie Portman and one
Yeah.
Yeah,
was better.
the Natalie Portman one is better. It is
Ah,
better.
Natalie
correct.
Portman
Natalie
one-
Portman is phenomenal in that.
Yeah.
She's so good. She's easily the best actor of the four. Like the
Ah.
Oh,
Justin
yeah,
Timberlake,
yeah,
Mila
yeah.
Kunis,
Justin
and-
Timberlake's face, I feel like
Significant.
punching when
Justin
I see
Timberlake is not a bad actor.
I
I
know,
enjoy
honestly.
Justin
He
Timberlake.
plays assholes well, no? Like
Back
social
then,
network and all this.
back then, Justin Timberlake's PR was fine, and everyone
Oh, now
liked
he
it.
fucked
Now
himself.
he's
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
now if you rewatch,
Oh, I don't know English. No? English things. One.
It's okay, we'll go back to Zoom.
Prajakta Shukre,
Simi
though, I
Chandok.
know everything about Prajakta Shukre.
dude, I love Prajakta Shukre, man.
She's so good.
Who's
She's
this
the
guy?
best,
Sorry.
man.
She was the fourth on Indian Idol season
Yeah.
Oh,
1.
shit. I'll
Fourth was
watch.
her, 3 was Rahul Vaidya, 2 was
this
Amit
is
Amit
Sana,
Sana won.
which is what every person knows. I
5th
feel
was
like
Ravinder Ravi. No one.
fifth
I
is
guess.
Ravindra. No. My brother's favorite is Ravindra Ravi.
Why?
Yeah, yeah.
Like he's a painter.
Yeah, no, because in the opening rounds and all, you know, there's that piano round and all.
He was very good
He
when
was
there
damn
was no this thing.
As
In
soon
the
as-
top 30 and all, once it became technical, he couldn't.
Yeah, as soon as it became technical, he completely lost it, and I was like, this guy is horrible. Yeah, what's going on? Why
He
is he
should
not
be on TikTok if he's not.
Was
if
this
he's around.
2001? I just want to like.
important? Guys, was it 2001?
Was Amit Sana,
Could be.
Abhijit
Could
Sama
be. In my
2001?
mind,
I
it's
feel like that's
2001.
our
Sony was
age.
developing it at least in 2001. So
Yeah.
yes, 2001. This
But I
makes
want
sense.
to discuss something important also. 2001 was also Abbas Mustan. An important
Important.
year for Abbas Mustan because
Important.
they made Ajnabi.
Yeah.
And
Only
then
one?
they made Chori Chori Chupke Chupke.
Yeah.
Weird set of films to
And
make.
maybe Chori Chori Chupke Chupke is more disturbing than Ajnabi.
100%.
I feel like
way
as a
more,
movie,
way
there's
more.
some really weird stuff in that
Yeah.
film.
Surrogacy film.
No, this is that
kind of weird
surrogacy film
surrogacy.
where
They bang.
They banged.
they
right?
misunderstood.
He has a drink to
they
surrogate her.
misunderstood what to do.
He surrogates
They're like,
all
"We
over.
have to
her
bang
after a
for
There's
this."
some other podcasts where I've spoken about this. I feel like
I
I'm
think
just
we discuss. There are
I'm
3 topics
everywhere.
we discuss every podcast. That's Amit Sana.
I shoot down K3G conversations now.
Yeah, I
If
just saw
anyone
that.
brings
Shut
it up,
me down. He just
enough.
shut-
Enough
See
about
that, we have
K3G.
K3G
Enough.
represent.
I'll burn it. We've at least 10 episodes we've discussed K3G.
Damn, really?
Dude,
Yeah,
I really
it
love
always
it.
I
brings
love
up. It
K3G.
always
I
comes
really
up.
like it.
I love their house in Delhi,
Nah, yeah.
which is
Buckingham
clearly
Palace.
is definitely in Delhi, dude.
Chandni
Like,
Chowk.
It's where Katrina Kaif's boyfriend stayed in Namaste London.
oh,
also.
dude, it's the same place.
It's the same exteriors.
It's
Same-
Shah Rukh walked in through this side, Katrina left the other side.
Kiran Kher both
all.
And then
shoots.
they made Jab Tak Hai Jaan later. When they shot
They
it.
all. It's the Venn diagram.
Correct, correct. But between Ajnabi and Chori Chori, which one do you guys like more?
Ajnabi.
Nabi.
Same. Unanimous opinion.
Ajnabi is a very funny film in the sense that Akshay Kumar presents himself as a weird dude not to
Yeah.
trust.
Yeah.
Then everyone is shocked when he's a weird dude not to trust. Like the whole movie is I'm shady,
Yeah.
and then Bobby Deol is like, "Hey, you're shady, kya?" Bro, the whole movie he's
only shown you signs of
he's
being a
only like
weirdo.
he
Yeah.
literally throws himself in front of a car so
Yeah,
that he agrees
yeah.
to go on a vacation.
On a holiday.
Insurance money.
Yeah.
Say, oh,
Yeah.
now-
But
oh.
Shantanu has a favorite scene in Ajnabi where Bipasha Basu's playing the piano with her feet and then she goes back and
Very
the
good.
piano.
Why Shah Rukh does it at the before
Yeah, why
Ruk
can't
Jao
Bipasha
Dil
do
Diwane? This is the problem.
But I
Glass
didn't
ceiling
say-
is set by
I
you.
didn't say anything
You're mocking Bibbs for doing this. Shah
No,
Rukh
no,
ne
I
kiya
think
hoga,
Bibbs
you'll
is
be
very
like,
good in
"Oh, how
the movie.
adorable."
Sonia.
She
To be
was-
fair, yeah, I would also say
Mink
that.
is also in the film, guys. We should pay it. Mink
I
is the
liked
real
the
Sonia.
I liked the Society wale, the Johnny Lever,
Johnny Lever.
and
I
the,
found that whole bit quite annoying.
but
if you ask.
other Jaspal Bhatti.
Is that the other guy? I don't know.
There's a Sardar.
Correct. That's
Jaspal
Sardar.
Bhatti understudy.
Yeah,
or
yeah, yeah.
Jaspal Bhatti
Yeah,
sir
yeah,
himself.
That type,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, one of those, the
Yeah.
architect.
And they're all like, one is a Bengali, one is a Punjabi.
It's a Bengali Sardar.
Yeah.
It's a Punjabi something. They always do one.
But I don't miss that era of like Abbas Mastan also loved Johnny Lever. It's a very
Yeah,
interesting thing.
every
Like,
movie
because
has.
Soldier also is them.
Yeah.
And he's there in Soldier also. He's got the two brothers ka storyline which is going on.
Oh,
Twin
and
brothers.
he's like, तुम्हारा भाई तुम्हें
Yeah,
ढूंढ रहा है.
correct,
मैं
correct.
वही हूँ.
Main wahi hoon. So that keeps going.
Yeah.
And I think this was very much a filler. Abbas Mastan have a 1.5 hour ka story.
Yeah.
But they have to make a 3-hour film.
Not even. Huh.
And if that.
A
And
different
they're like
C
they-
story.
So they need a C story. And in 36 Chinatown, they made all the C stories the A story, which
Correct.
was insane.
Correct, correct.
All the like comedy
Yeah,
characters are now
yeah,
the
yeah.
suspects.
Yeah.
Payal
yeah.
Rodgi.
Yeah,
herself.
I'm like,
House
guys,
help and
Payal
all
Rodgi
also.
herself is involved in
Yeah.
in the plot of the film. It
Upen
has
Patel.
never happened that Payal Rodgi is pushing plot in a movie.
Yeah, that was. But yeah, Ajnabi. Back
Ajnabi.
to
Back
the
to
2001
My
film.
issue with Ajnabi, I was discussing this with Shantanu, is like this thing that he does, like let's do swap.
Yeah.
You don't need that to execute his plan. Like if you really think about it,
Yeah.
he just wants
He wanted a
he wants
smash,
Sonia
though.
dead.
But he wanted a smash. I feel like
He
that's...
complicated his plan a lot
He did.
by introducing that angle into the story. Basically, what does he want? He wants the wife dead.
Yeah.
Right? For that, he just needs to set Bobby Deol into the house.
But
He
little
could have
bit
just
of
said,
Kareena
come for
also he
dinner.
wants. What if it's a
Oh, he
tukka, na?
wants to
What if
bang.
Bobby's like,
But
no,
he
no
doesn't
props, bro.
bang her. He doesn't bang
His plan was
Kareena.
never that.
But in
He
in
just
Bobby's
wants
dream
Bobby-
sequence, he does.
Yeah,
Which
very
which by the way,
elongated
not
sequence.
that
It's
I
very creepy.
went and like seeked it out. I just want to clarify. But in
8-year-old
But-
Google.
there on Prime, they've cut it out. Like there's a YouTube
glad.
version, there's a Prime version. One of the versions, I don't know which it is, they've cut out the dream sequence song.
Where he's
I'm
on the
so
where he's on
fucking
the
glad.
bench.
Where there's a
Where
lot
he's
of
on
Akshay Kumar tongue in that.
Yeah, it's sick.
It's a
dude.
lot of
It's
tongue.
Lot of
disgust-
biting
it's-
A lot of
shoulders.
biting and all.
It's really disgusting.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really
It's not as
disgusting.
disgusting as the atta gundna that Bobby and Kareena
Both are
do.
equally
Oh,
disgusting.
yeah, they're
It's
all
like,
weird.
Yeah.
paratha aise
Yeah,
bana
But
ke.
I just want to call out Bobby Deol's character in this because like he fully
Cheats
Cheats.
on his wife.
he's a dick.
Yeah.
100%.
He is interested in Bipasha Basu. He's creeping on her, like in that piano
Yeah.
scene. He's watching her.
He goes in, enters
He's
and
going
stares.
in, and
Yeah.
then later on he's like, "I was conned." I was like,
Yeah.
"But you."
Yeah. You didn't tell your wife she
You
was
didn't tell your
flirting.
wife.
Yeah. But this Arbaz Mastan, they do this a lot.
Arbaz Mastan.
Arbaz Mastan.
Arbaz. Arbaz
Ar-
Mastan, because even in Aitraz, Akshay Kumar has cheated on
Yeah,
Kareena
yeah,
Kapoor.
yeah.
Kareena
Hum-
Kapoor always gets cheated
Hamraz
on.
mein, Hamraz mein, like Bobby Deol literally wants his wife dead.
Dead. And then they end
At
up
some point, then
together.
he's like, "Arey no,
Yeah.
but you're sweet only."
Yeah.
Like I just sorry I got
What's
carried away. I hired a
Hamraz?
Hamraz.
Hamraz.
Hamraz is amazing.
Hamraz is the best, dude.
Bobby is one of the best people he's played is in Hamraz.
Hamraz is my if you
He's
were
saying the
ranking.
opposite of
No,
what you're saying.
of the three, I think Bobby is a better guy in Hamraz than he is in
He
these
wants
two.
to
Correct.
kill her.
In Ajnabi, though, he's.
But he's getting conned like massively, and
Yeah.
then he gets very angry and he's like, "Oh, I'll put a hit out on her."
Yeah.
Hmm.
Then,
You-
but how do they reconcile in the end, saying sorry, I put a hit out on you, but
But
we're
it's
chill
okay.
now.
I love
It's
you.
cool.
No, I had a thing where there was always a like point counterpoint in the filmography of a lot of
Hmm.
actors this year.
Hmm.
Like Shah Rukh for a K3G had his Ashoka and
Yeah.
this Saif for a Dil Chahta Hai had a Love Ke Liye Kuch Bhi Karega. Amir, in fact, Anil Kapoor had a couple of films where I noticed something similar. But the most interesting one that I wanted to pick on was Manoj Bajpayee did Zubeda and Aks
Ux.
in the same year. Aks, which I don't think is that bad a film.
Oh,
It's
really?
fun. It's
It's okay.
ridiculous. It's like
It's
kind of an
okay.
It's
insane
that
movie.
remake
It's
of
an
that
insane movie.
na?
It's a better Face Off. It's like Face
Yeah.
Off with some like a spiritual. It's
Yeah.
like a little
It has
little
Raveena
tantric
Tandon.
energy thrown onto it.
I didn't understand it as a kid. I was like, what
Same.
the hell
I
is
got
going
creeped
on?
out
It's
by
like
it.
Tatya Winchu meets Face Off.
Yeah,
You
I
know,
was
Yeah.
very
little
creeped
bit.
out
Yeah.
watching it.
Amitabh doing a movie like that was very interesting.
Nandita Das
back
is his
then.
wife, no?
Amitabh.
Yeah.
Yeah, how strange.
Why?
Quite an age gap, isn't there?
That's good, yeah. Why? Chini kam Nishant
But
you
that
are
they
okay
call
with.
it out in those films. In this movie, I don't think it's called out. But anyway, that's besides the point. But yeah,
She
Manoj
was his wife and I
Bajpayee.
do remember thinking
Yeah,
it was
yeah,
weird.
it is kind
And
of
it
weird.
had great songs.
Yeah, that one song between them.
Rabba. There was one,
Huh.
Ravina Tandon.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Raveena
That's
is
where
in
that
it.
song is
Yeah,
from.
Yeah.
Banger.
Yeah, Bango, yeah.
Banger, banger.
Banger.
Music,
Aks was a
music, and
banger.
yeah.
But yeah, there was some like so I was talking about how like there was Ashoka, which I remember when I was going to see my mother pointed out that when a star is fading, he takes on roles like Ashoka.
Oh man, Shah Rukh really
Dude, I
faded.
really like
he
the
didn't
show.
fade at all. Poor guy.
Yeah.
It's been like 25 years.
Poor guy.
But there was a concern. I remember in 2001, like in the 2001, the multiplex era
And
started.
Hrithik had come.
Hrithik had come in,
Hmm.
and Yashraj were looking at Saif as their next guy after
Yeah.
Dil Chahta Hai.
Yeah,
Hum
yeah.
Tum mein
And
all that.
Kalona, he was working on after that.
Yeah.
So I think Yashraj, that's when Hum Tum came out. That was a very multiplex. This is our
Yeah.
multiplex hero.
That was a 2004.
2004.
Ah.
So I think there was a sense that, oh, is Shah Rukh done?
Ah.
Yeah.
He had to
'cause
reinvent
How
himself.
dare
Because Fir Bhi
they-
Dil Hai Hindustani was a
Yeah.
thing, and they've tried to replace Shah Rukh every year.
Yeah.
Every year since then, they've gone, hey, what is it, Shahid Kapoor as the
Is it
next guy?
Ranveer Singh? Is it Jimmy Shergill?
Is it
Please.
Jimmy
Yes,
Shergill?
They
It could
trapped
be
Jimmy
Jimmy.
Shergill, yeah.
Yeah,
He had a
yeah, yeah.
3-film leading man.
Is
thing.
it Uday? I mean, no, they didn't really.
Yeah.
What is the next? We have one more thing to
Notes.
discuss from
In
your
my
notes
notes, what's in my
2001.
next thing?
Even
okay,
I have
okay,
some
wait.
notes.
Oh,
You have
oh,
notes?
Oh, I have
oh.
one film, guys,
Huh.
important to discuss.
Okay. You,
I
He's putting
think-
his hand up.
Please.
yes. Speak, sir.
So I did say Dil Chahta is the like defining 2001 film,
Hmm.
but I think many could argue that Monsoon Wedding.
I don't think you're ready for marriage. I just want to settle down.
Might be
That was
film.
2001.
That's 2001.
That's in my top
Please
5 favorite
check.
films of all time.
But I remember looking it up on
Oh,
Wikipedia.
wow.
this
Oh, it's
morning.
Monsoon Wedding is 2001.
What
Yeah.
a movie! I love Monsoon
I
Wedding.
again rewatched it recently with my
Same.
parents only.
Ah.
I think my mom loves that movie.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
It's one of my
And
favorites.
it feels so different. In a complimentary way, it feels like a play.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like that play of like a guy who's having a bad day at
yeah.
home, You know, like, because everything seems to be happening in that one
Yeah.
environment for
Yeah.
Naseeruddin Shah.
Yeah.
That opening bit, though, when he's like shaving and like
Yeah.
yelling at
Yeah.
everyone, and he's like this.
Lily Dubey smoking.
He looks
yeah.
great, by the way.
Yeah. Dude, he's got
Sexiest
muscles
Naseeruddin
and
Shah has
all,
looked,
yeah?
I think.
He's got muscles.
He was
and that.
very sexy when
Yeah.
he was
He's-
young.
yeah, but I
Pestonji
feel-
and all his
He's
early
damn sexy.
that
He's
era.
hot. He's a hottie.
Jalwa. Pankaj Parashar's Jalwa.
Yeah,
he was
yeah,
like
yeah.
a hot guy.
Oh, he's a
Yeah.
Yeah,
I feel like a
Naseeruddin Shah's a real
monsoon
looker.
wedding release today, it would do really well. I feel like.
It does the rounds
would-
as a musical now, no?
yeah.
Yeah.
It does
Yeah.
the
It has
rounds.
Ram
Rabba,
Kapoor.
Rabba,
No,
Ji
no.
Karda.
There's a Ram Kapoor dance also in that
Yeah,
movie. Where he
Ram
comes in.
Kapoor also
Yeah.
looking damn good.
It
Dapper,
was
dapper.
without the Monjaro. He was. That's what. This is what he's chasing now. He's chasing his youth. No, it's been 25 years.
Look.
He's like, let's get back there.
Oh
That's
my
why
god.
He looked really nice as well.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
He's
say.
there for like 2 minutes, but he's
And,
good.
No, no, it's
uh,
a decent role.
No,
yeah.
no, it's a 2-minute.
Yeah, yeah,
role, guys.
he's-
He comes
he's
in the song
only-
and goes.
He's the boyfriend or
No,
something.
no, no. He only exists so that Randeep Hooda
Will-
steps up and
Yeah.
like takes over the dance.
Yeah. And
You know
like,
they're doing that Sangeet ka dance.
Yeah.
That what is
Chunari,
that
Chunari.
Chunari, Chunari.
Yeah,
Huh?
which
Oh,
plays-
he's only there.
yeah. He's
Oh.
like a little bit of an abrasive,
He's not
dickish
having
character.
an affair with Vasundhara Das.
No.
No,
That's
no.
another random guy. That's
no,
a random
that is,
guy.
that is some random
I
boss.
shouldn't call him random.
Oh,
Her
French
boss in
beard.
the
Yeah, French
he's got a
beard, French beard.
I
Looks
thought
so
Ram
sleazy.
Kapoor
That's
later.
not Ram
Kapoor. No,
okay.
no.
I have it mixed up. I haven't
Yeah,
seen
yeah.
it since then.
I can understand why you would think Ram Kapoor should have played that character.
I thought Ram Kapoor danced and then also went to the
No,
car
no,
with,
It's too complicated.
with,
for
It's a
the-
very
with Kamal
subtle
Hassan's
thing.
wife from
He-
Heram.
Dude,
He
what a
notices
nice
like Randeep Hooda and the girl that he's
Yeah.
interested in.
Yeah.
She wants him to dance. He
Yeah.
doesn't want to get involved. Ram Kapoor sees it. He starts dancing with her. Randeep Hooda gets jealous
Yeah.
and
Oh.
Yeah,
Steps
and
in.
we're like, "Hut," and he
it's a
starts
very like small moment in the. But it's nice.
It's
like,
a really good.
Randeep
yeah.
Hooda is
Yeah.
also in it. Like very young Randeep Hooda. Shefali
Accent.
Shah.
Shefali
Shah, like that scene with Rajat Kapoor is like incredible. That whole
Yeah, yeah,
Amazing,
yeah.
man.
realization.
That
of-
movie is really good.
And that whole moment where
Shefali Chaya
Shefali
in
Chaya.
2001.
2001,
really?
correct. Shefali
Oh.
Chaya.
Oh.
Just I don't know why. I had to do a little Miss Malini type interjection. Oh my
Yeah.
Dead name, don't dead name. or
But
whatever.
apparently, after that movie, Rajat Kapoor like struggled to get roles because people believed him to be this pedophilic.
Oh man,
sleaze.
yeah. And he plays it.
And he
really
plays
like
an
it.
older
Even
guy. and
Mahesh
all
Mama was
that.
creepy.
In
Dilchad hai.
Oh no,
No.
Mahesh
Then-
Mama.
I love Mahesh
I don't like
Mama.
Mahesh Mama.
What?
I don't
Yeah,
like
he's
Mahesh
nice
Mama.
only.
I
Something
would like to
creepy. Maybe
age like
because of
Mahesh Mama.
I just
Exactly.
remember
Mahesh
random.
Mama creepy hai.
I remember
Right?
random scenes with him where he's like, you know, he's looking at some
Yeah, the photos.
Photo.
and then he's like, Rohit called
Twice.
Was called twice.
I can quote Dil Chahta Hai.
He was
Yeah.
threatening to
for-
pay. Then, and in the end, also, he comes and stands on Amir's side.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Huh? Little
yeah.
mama ka
They do
Yeah.
a they meet also, na, the three
They
of them.
meet in that
in the cafe.
revolving camera where you get a little bit of a headache. You're like, guys, relax. I get that this information.
Yeah,
is
there's not
new.
Ocean's 11. Calm down.
Why are they planning a heist?
In
that,
tuition,
like-
when I was putting in tuition, when I would like talk to a girl that I thought
Yeah.
was cute or
Yeah.
whatever, my sense of humor was very DCH coded. So I
Of
would do a
course.
lot of, oh, हम तीनों इस class को attend कर रहे हैं. हाँ, तुम मैं और ये teacher. type of, I would do a lot of this type stuff.
Yeah, they also
never,
jokes like,
never dated anyone. Straight got married many years.
They'd be like, ये सुना हुआ है.
तो
या
हमने
तो
भी
ये
देख-
दोस्ती
हमने
कह
भी
रही है या
देखी
ये
है.
photo 3D.
हाँ,
What? Like I'm like, you're just cute. That's what you're getting. You're getting away with this.
yeah.
You're just a really cute dude. That's what it is.
My last thing was just lingering on my mind. RHTDM also released in 2000.
Oh yeah, I think the blueprint for Kabir Singh lies here.
Pre Kabir.
मेरे दोस्त अकेले बहुत बोर हो रहे हैं, दिन ब दिन कमजोर हो रहे हैं, तो मैं सोच रहा था अगर आपकी तरह से इन्हें कोई टॉनिक मिल जाती ना तो मजा आ जाता.
I think it's
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Because he straight up, firstly, cuts the phone lines first.
Yeah.
Just
What the
just
fuck,
how he
dude?
starts approaching this girl.
Change.
एक
But
तो
it's cute.
He
guys.
takes her
Shut
cup,
it.
he takes a cup of whatever she drinks from in a wedding, a plastic cup. उसपे
Keeps
lipstick
it.
है. He keeps it. Firstly, so
Yeah.
Huh.
yeah.
here we are.
So that Rajesh Shirji can yell at him later.
yeah.
Plate भी
क्या
ले
कचरा
आता.
कुटा गिल्ला है
हाँ.
तू or whatever
Plate
it's
लाता
That's
frame
your, hey,
करते.
Noah, I don't think anyone's had an impression of
No one's ever done
that's like a new thing.
Out of focus. That's I don't know anyone.
Damn, dude.
Not bad.
I was not ready for that.
I don't think
Like
the
he had
world
a
is
Saif
ready.
one earlier. I was like, Saif, though people do.
But good year for Saif, no?
Good
he
year
did
for Saif.
Dil Chahta Hai, RHTDM. He's the only
RS
normal person in that movie.
RSTDM, it's like a lie that he's in it. Like I remember watching it. We did like a Netflix watch party
Oh,
for
nice.
RSTDM. I had this very
Rage.
niche podcast back in the day.
Ooh.
And so we did a watch party for that. And people were like, oh my God, Saif is in this movie. I was like, Well, yeah, but like he's gone for most of it, and then he
Not
comes
really.
back.
He's there, he's singing the song. Dil ko tumse
Yeah.
pyar hua ke liye. He's in the film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had a full debate, I remember, about which is the better song, Dil Ko Tumse Pyar Hua ya Sach Keh
Sach
Raha
keh
Hai
raha hai
Deewana.
Deewana. Sach keh raha hai Deewana.
I was
Dil
a
ko
Sach-
tumse pyar hua.
Even I'm
There's
Sach keh
always
raha hai.
one in the room that's Dil Ko. a Dil
Yeah,
Ko
the
fan.
Saif fans, not
Yeah.
these weird Maddie fans.
I'm a Maddie
But
kind of
just
girl.
to land that point, ki Sach Keh Raha Hai Deewana, but only Jhoot Keh Raha Hai Deewana the whole movie. He
The
lies
irony.
about his identity.
They don't translate well. When I saw Arjun Reddy and I learned that they were going to remake it into Kabir Singh, I kept saying to my wife ki wo the context in which Arjun Reddy exists, I don't know how you'll palette
Yeah.
the same amount of aggression from a man here or wherever they choose to set it. It of course
Right.
translated very well numbers wise, but I knew that people would get a little. No one when Arjun Reddy came out was like, oh, he treated her badly. Somehow Kabir Singh that happened in a big
Yeah.
with Minale, the same
Which
this
was that?
Minale's RH Stadium
RHTM
cover.
original.
okay.
A much smaller actor called Abbas, who's not as big as Saif played Saif's role. Even there, it was not that. It wasn't. People didn't look at it
It
and be
wasn't
like,
polarizing or weird.
it wasn't polarizing his conduct. In this, when you look at it, somehow Madhavan
Yeah.
got good actor, but
I
his-
used to really like him.
no, I feel like
Guru and
the
all
scenes
the-
where he goes after Dia Mirza in her office and he's all
Yeah,
like,
hits her and all, dude, yeah.
Reena, and
Yeah.
all. He could have definitely dialed it back a little
Oh
bit
my
as an
God.
acting choice.
Yeah.
That Reena was, it
Yeah.
was too South Indian
Yeah.
actor
His
throwing
approach-
energy in.
Yeah.
His approach is so weird because she finds out that he lied about his identity for like a week,
Yeah.
where he cut the phone lines. All of this stuff is he held her hostage basically without her knowing
Basically.
for a week.
Yeah.
His response of finding out is anger.
Yeah.
I
He's
didn't
mad at
bang
her.
you.
Ah.
Yeah,
I
that.
could have banged you.
He
I
said
could have
you should
done
be
whatever I
grateful to
wanted.
me
Many
that
kuch-
I didn't bang.
Bare minimum man.
What
But I
the
just
fuck?
want to ask, like, I mean, I'm not to say that he
Yeah.
did,
Zara
but like
Zara
Zara Zara
was-
happened, like, are we
In the
Was
head, na, that
second,
was.
second
Oh.
base.
Guys, I was in their imagination.
It was a second base
Yeah.
type
Yeah.
of
Reena
song.
is not the kind of girl who would do all this performance.
Because-
Reena, you know Reena.
because there's a line.
You know Reena.
There's a line in there. wo, tum apni ungliyon se
What?
something
That's
about a
Rajniti,
baarish-
Arjun
Yeah,
Rampal.
gee.
Sorry, yeah, guys. I'm just thinking
Again,
lyrics.
y'all have come back to these disturbing visuals.
No, but-
I don't want to think
But
about
I'm just thinking the lyrics of Zara Zara. I mean, Zara Zara is
Yeah.
a great song,
Bombay
and I
Jesh.
feel like sexual awakening songs wise important representation.
And they're sort of running
Especially a
around in
woman's
France.
perspective on it. Like usually
Yeah.
it's a man who's like,
Yeah. It was
and
one of
here
those
Dia's
songs.
like, hey,
Yeah.
dude,
Yeah.
I'm feeling it.
Yeah.
Which is
It
why
was
she was also upset.
She was feeling it.
He lied.
But she was a Hindustani ladki.
Yeah. Who likes Pani Puri?
But I like
Yeah.
Zara Zara's maybe that album is great.
Arey, I
All
love the songs
are
of that movie.
perfect.
That's Haris
Yeah.
Jairaj.
Yeah.
No,
I
they-
once said A.R. Rahman because I just assumed.
Oh, fuck, even I thought
Of
it
course
was
you
A.R.
did.
Rahman.
Yeah.
North Indian.
Yeah,
I thought-
yeah.
All
I thought
right.
Rahman.
Bloody North Indians.
हमें तो एक ही पता है.
Something I put up on Instagram and every comment was like, how dare you?
AR, our
Okay,
last
last part,
point. We
last
have
part.
5 minutes.
Okay, last
What
point.
else would you like to talk about? for the-
Okay, let us look.
I have question. Which tropes of 2001 do we miss and like? And what do we not like? We're like, okay, we're glad what happened in 2001 doesn't exist anymore.
I'm also thinking what tropes I don't like. I feel like I remember that have continued more than like. Which is there's this misconception that, you know, nepotism was invented in 2015 or like launches happened only then. Dude, 2001, there were some horrific like people that were actors that were around. Like they're really bad.
Who?
Aftab and
five.
all.
He's not
After-
nepotism.
Not
He is,
nepotism.
Of course he is.
Yeah.
Really?
He's related to Sadhna, the legendary actress.
Oh, the hair, the
Sadhna.
fringe. Oh.
Yeah,
Then there was, yeah. I mean, these are not all not nepotism, but the idea that bad actors only come now from certain is not a fact. Like there were some really bad actors. Arjun Rampal's Divanapan.
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 2001.
Have you seen it?
Yeah.
It's very good. It's Vinod Khanna, Dia Mirza.
Yeah.
Ah, mera
But it's
Divana.
also Arjun
Arjun
Rampal.
Rampal.
So I
He
think
learned later.
this trope, it's not that I don't like it. I'm just, it's interesting to look back on how conversations were very similar. Even 20 years ago, people were saying the same stuff only
Yeah.
that, oh, these actors are bad. They're not going to make it. And I think we're here only. We're in the same
Yeah.
cycle. It just reminds you that it's a cycle, ultimately.
Or makes you a little hopeful.
A little bit, you're like, "Arey, it's not
as
the end
bad."
of the world. Yaar. People were saying these things
I
back
do,
then also.
I do still think that the actor, and maybe this is nostalgia, but I feel like they at least had screen presence if nothing else.
Yeah.
Like you would look at an Arjun Rampal. I feel like today you struggle to look at least I struggle to pay attention to actors sometimes. Because they just seem very they all look the same. They feel kind of like all of those very.
I miss the tropes of like random movies just
Yeah.
releasing in the theaters,
Mm.
which is like like Ux were just discussing about. Like
Yeah.
a movie like that would never see the light of day in the theater only. They'd be like, nahi, ye
Yeah,
kaise?
yeah,
This
yeah.
is not attached to any
Yeah.
IP.
It would be
Yeah.
a Shirish Kundar Netflix original.
Yeah, yeah, it
Yeah,
would be like
yeah,
a
yeah.
movie that was like someone would be like, "Hey, I really like Tux," and that's one voice in like thousand some
Yeah.
other movie they
Hmm. Yeah.
moved on.
Yeah.
We're all talking about Dhurandhar 2. We've all moved
Correct.
on from.
Yeah, yeah.
So I think that
Yeah,
I miss of
yeah.
like these choices people are making that are bold and kind of out there. Like a movie like Chori Chori Chupke Chupke also.
Mm.
It's such a look at the actors attached to it, and it's about
Yeah.
surrogacy. Now you couldn't even. They would never show this
Yeah.
kind of stuff, like a
Yeah.
hero doing anything like that,
Yeah.
a
Oh, yeah,
heroine going
100%.
along with it, like
Yeah.
all of this stuff.
It's too
And even if they did, it would not be this conflict.
Yeah.
Firstly, because an
Yeah.
animal when he slept with someone else, they didn't care. No, it didn't
Yeah.
matter.
Yeah.
So that I find interesting. Like
Mm.
movies being a little bolder with what
Yeah.
counts as a theater में डाल देते हैं यार.
Huh,
Correct.
huh.
That vibe is not there anymore.
Avenues
Correct.
were lesser, no, to put. So
Yeah.
they had
Yeah.
to. They,
They
had,
had
to
to.
put this
Yeah.
stuff. Also.
Shut down the avenues is
Yeah.
what I'm saying. Let's go back.
Shut
Buy
up.
Netflix. Leave.
I just want
no,
some of
we-
these movies to be out in theaters, man. They should just come
Yeah.
out. Fuck it. Let's find out.
Yeah.
what
And we'll
happens.
go.
I miss multi-starers.
I was just
I
thinking.
don't think they
Ah.
do multi-starers
I
well.
also
They
miss-
do them with these weird Dhurandhar type, or they create universes.
Yeah.
But like Simba Singham don't count. I
Yeah.
miss 3 leading
Yeah.
actors or actresses getting together and doing films like Love Ke Liye Kuch Bhi Karega,
Yeah.
K3G,
Yeah.
Dil Chahta Hai. I feel like the egos and talent management companies now that exist, I feel like the prices attached to actors and their entourages are so high that these projects just can't get made.
How did they manage K3G?
Seriously,
Now that I'm
what a
thinking about
cast.
it, like,
Yeah, because
What a
Hrithik,
cast.
Hrithik would have
Hrithik's on the
swallowed his
rise.
pride a little bit to have been
Yeah.
in that film. I'm pretty sure, like I'm saying, someone would
Amitabh
have
as
taken
well.
the
Kareena?
backseat.
Amitabh as
They
well,
were all
because
big,
while
yeah?
Amitabh he's not it's Shah Rukh's the hero.
Yeah,
Clearly.
yeah. 100.
Right? So those two actors being like, yeah, cool.
Yeah.
You can't get.
It's fine.
Even in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, it's like a Salman coming on
Salman
board.
just coming on and doing it.
Love Ke Liye Kuch Bhi Karega had all of them. Like you had Fardeen
Fardeen,
Khan, you
Twinkle.
had this. You had so many people who were leading actors at that time.
Yeah.
How their
Sonali Bindi,
careers
yeah.
transpired
Yeah.
doesn't matter. But like I'm saying, ki, they were there.
Yeah.
Now you can't get 2 guys to sign a film together. Gile
Yeah.
Zara is not getting greenlit.
Yeah.
For the
Make it
last-
happen.
For the last 5 years,
Dude,
they
I can't
can't
believe
get.
that movie. I really wanted to watch.
Seriously,
I hope
yeah.
it's still in the
Bring
works.
post-
I
posters and
love
keep-
women written by men.
It's so rare also. We don't have enough of
That's
that.
very
We
interesting
do.
though, right? Like the Farhan Akhtar.
Bilabs are very rights women.
A lot of
The
people
bad
did say that, oh, Farhan Akhtar like really writes great road trip movies. I'm like, I know that's his sister.
Mm.
That's dialogue.
And Reema Kagti
He,
also.
yeah, like
Yeah.
Farhan, of course I love
Yeah.
Dil Chahta, and people think
Yeah.
Dil Chahta is just the Goa trip.
Yeah.
But ultimately, it's not a road trip film.
Of course not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's ZNMD.
Yeah.
Even Dil Dhadakne, those are travel movie.
Yeah.
Akhtar is actually not Farhan.
Yeah.
I said Akhtar.
Akhtar.
Farhan Akhtar is not done. Which Akhtar? And I'm a fan of both. I'm a big like Akhtar siblings supporter.
Of course. same,
Dad, you
same,
don't
same.
like.
Huh?
Dad?
Dad also.
Dad
What did
is
he
main,
do?
yeah,
Like some
Dad
small
is-
movies.
Some
he
little
did.
films he
Some
wrote.
niche
He
films
was
he
some
made.
writer
Indie
na?
projects.
Yeah, some Sholay and all he must have
Writer
done.
was, yeah.
But who watched Sholay anyway?
I watched Ramos.
I think more people went. I think more people watched Sholay when it re-released than some of the movies in theaters. Like more
Yeah,
people
yeah.
went back. Crazy.
Risha, what's that one very dirty song is there in Ramu's Aag?
Nisha Kothari.
Ha, there's a
Should
very
we end
dirty
this on a
song.
Nisha Kothari praise? Should we all
Shout
sing-
out to Nisha
Shout out to
Kothari.
Nisha
That's it, that's all
Kothari.
we've got to
She
say.
went by Priyanka Kothari in the Telugu film industry.
Wow.
I know.
Important for us to have known that.
And
yeah.
don't watch Aag. I guess.
Yeah,
Don't
don't.
watch
Let's
Aag.
not. Let's not promote
If you
that.
want to watch Mohit Ahlawat, who acted in Aag, watch him in a film called Shagird, where he acted along with Anurag Kashyap.
Oh, okay. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah,
there
point
you
to
go.
all. And thank you,
Okay,
Karan.
thank you,
Thank you,
Karan.
Karan,
for
for
having
coming
me,
and
man.
talking to us
I
about.
don't even know how much 2001 we
Cinephile
covered.
extraordinaire.
But
It was no, the vibes were 2001.
vibes of
That's
2001.
what happened.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have Rola Cola and Poppins waiting right behind the camera
Nice.
for you.
I
which we
felt like
can-
I was 8, so that's
Yeah, as long as you did. As
Yeah.
long as you felt it.
He's gonna
And
Google Ajnabi scene.
Ajnabi hot scene. He goes
Kareena
back.
Akshay.
I mean, I'm not saying
Aata gundo, baby.
I just want to put it on the record. I never did that,
You did.
but I
Your
did.
eyes are saying something
He
else.
did.
Yeah.
His eyes scream. His lips quiver, no, but his eyes scream, yes.
Okay, awesome. In the comment section, you should let us know which was your favorite 2001 movie. Movies. You can say more than one. There are no rules. Go for it.
Like, share, subscribe, guys, and let us know in the comments what you miss from 2001.
Yeah.
And DM Karan Mirchandani and
Yes.
tell him to come here again. And that's it from Popcorn Hour.
Woo!
Okay.
Dad, my kind of girl is